How to fix Messenger call can't be answered. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily fix the problem where you're not able to answer any Messenger calls. The very first thing you want to do is check if your Messenger app is up to date or not. For that, go over to your Play Store, tap the search bar at the bottom right, tap on the search icon, and then simply search for Messenger. Hit search. And if you see an update button here instead of open, you just need to tap on that to update the application. Once that is done, you need to long press on your Messenger app. Then you'll find the I button right over here. Just tap on that and your app info will open up. And first thing you need to do is check your phone call permissions. Go over to permissions and then make sure that the phone permission is turned on. Uh, if not, you can just go ahead and turn it off once and turn it on back again. Once you've given the phone permission, scroll down and go to storage. Once in storage, you can just tap on clear cache. And if you want, you could also try to clear data by tapping on it. But this will completely delete the application's data, including files, settings, accounts, and databases. All of them will be deleted. Now, if you're sure you want to delete, tap on delete. And then finally, you can just go back here, go to battery, make sure it's selected to optimized or unrestricted, depending on your choice, and then go back. Then just give your PC a quick restart and you should be able to call anyone you want on your Messenger. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.